listen up. If you don't, you'll be missing out on information and you won't be able to escape the maze. So just listen to me. You are about to enter the world's most twisted, AI-generated maze. Take note of your allocated symbol. You will need to remember it. Your objective, guys, is to escape this maze within the set time limit. To do so, you must locate your symbol and scan it with your wristband. How to scan your symbol. The symbols will be illuminated in different colors. When a symbol turns green, you have scanned it correctly. If a symbol turns red, you have scanned an incorrect symbol. Pink symbols can be scanned immediately. White symbols need unlocking first by completing a nearby task. Remember to scan the symbol after you have completed the tasks. Once you have correctly activated and scanned your symbol, proceed to the exit. At the exit, you will need to scan your wristband to register your completion time. If you have missed your symbol, you will not be able to escape. Live actors will be present within. Actors will touch you, but don't touch them. Breaking this rule will result in removal from the game. For your safety, try not to run. Do not place your hand on people's shoulders, as you will be separated from your group. Prepare to panic. How's it going, Daedalus? And welcome to Daz Games Panic. If you don't know who I am, this is what I do. Oh my god! Oh no! I don't know if I can handle this. Which makes me kind of a professional at horror games, so I thought, why just watch when I can create? Using AI or artificial intelligence for the noobs in the room, I have created the world's most twisted AI-generated escape maze. Forget what you think you know about haunted houses. This one rewrites the rulebook. Now, let's run this program and see what terrors we can create.
Hello, Daz, prepare to panic, awaiting prompts.
Okay, right. Generate horror escape maze, make it scary and terrifying, and execute.
Downloading cloud data, preparing render files. Files ready, level generating. Disorientating, disorientating, pitch black. Smoke, strobe, multiple routes. Complete. Find symbols to escape. Complete, generating rules. Solo participation, players alone.
Sounds pretty intense for live action. Laser! Turn it down!
Intensity generating. Extreme. Complete. Assets generating. Scanning game libraries. Clouds. Keepers. Dolls. Flesh eating. Decay. Teeth pulling. Possessed.
I'm not sure about this.
Complete.
More blood?
Files corrupted.
Locking escape. Increasing intensity. Draining players' health. Purge memory. Game overs.
No, stop the game! Stop the game!
Game countdown sequence initiated. Session commencing.